everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best ear cameras that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have WET DCQ USB Autoscope Ear Scope Camera. In case you need a reliable and efficient ear camera, here is a great pick you don't want to miss. The unit has a smaller size of 3.9 mm to allow for easy use, plus fits both kids and adults. What is more, the camera is widely compatible with most devices like MacBook, Windows, and Androids. The good news is that the unit has up to 6 adjustable LED lights to offer an easy view of the inner ear. Additionally, it has a screen resolution of 720p HD, and with state-of-the-art technology, it brings about better performances, hence a piece to try out. Moving on, at number 4, we have TOPCHU Ear 1080p FHD Waterproof. Equipped with a 250 mAh battery, this ear camera is a unit that will offer a longer runtime. The product is designed using a high level of waterproof material, making it a selection that will serve you better. More interestingly, the product has a large 1080p resolution that offers better visibility when examining the ear. Additionally, the product is widely compatible, thus a product that will suit most tasks. The good thing is that the ear camera is a breeze to hold when examining the ear. It is easy to use, and with wide compatibility, you can use it with most devices. At number 3, we have BEBI RDM9 Pro Ear Camera. For easy observation of the ear, this is a great selection that you to give a try. The 1080p camera provides excellent ear observation, making it a pick that will suit you better. In addition to this, the full HD resolution brings about excellent images. Other than this, the unit also has 6 LED lights that make it a pick for your needs. Again, it is easy to use thanks to the humane design. It has a one-button control system, making it a unit that will suit all users. It features varying colors to choose from what will suit you better. The unit is widely compatible since it connects wirelessly to most devices including Androids, iPhones, and smartphones among others. It has up to 6 LED lights for easy dimming of the lights to suit you. At number 2, we have FVENG 3.5mm HD Ear Scope Ear Endoscope. This is a fine selection of an ear inspection camera that is perfect for inner ear inspection. With up to 6 adjustable LED lights, you get to adjust for proper illumination. Moreover, it is compatible with the iPad, iPhone, and Androids among others. It has 3.5mm HD with a video resolution of 1280 by 720 inches to give a crystal clear view. Also, it has a sleek compact design, which makes it simpler and easier to use. This product has a fixed 1-inch focal length, and with a single power button, the product is simpler and easier to operate. It also features an earwax removal tool for cleaning the ear. And finally, at number 1, FUNG Wireless Autoscope Ear Camera. This is a special selection of an otoscope you can rely on for quality performances. This unit has a sleek ergonomic design, which allows for easy operation. More interestingly, it has up to 6 LED lights to suit both kids and adults. The product has 2 view modes, making it a great piece you can use for efficient inspection of the ear. Also, the unit has a highest video resolution of 720p HD, making it a pick that you can rely on for better services. It also has a 70 degrees angle design to provide a better view. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.